So this is a lilac, and don't touch it until it blooms, okay? But after it blooms, it's going like this into your yard, and you're losing, you know, like 3 feet, right? And it's so pretty and everything, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the branches at the beginning, okay, that are especially headed out horizontally, okay? So you're gonna do this one just because it's not doing anything for you. But I told you, actually, never mind. I told you to get this whole thing. Go all the way down here, okay? Get this guy right here, okay? Why don't you get these little ones that are coming off? See all this, right? And if you get this whole thing, you're gonna look at how much space you're gonna get back, right? It's gonna go, look at this, okay? You're gonna get this little guy here, like all these little anemic things that aren't doing anything. They're not producing much. So then, and this, all the way down to the edge, or to the beginning. Then what it does is it lifts it up, okay? You get more space here, but you still get the flowers up in the top. And then, but you also have to prune things like this that don't have any growth on it really, you know, like this stuff. So this needs a big haircut, but I know you're up for the task.